look at the stance on this one. Nice looking car. 1964 Chevelle Malibu Convertible. This particular car underwent a frame-off restoration in the early 2000s and still in extremely nice shape. Underneath the hood, 350 small block Chevy, and that is paired up with a 350 automatic transmission. Also power steering and power brakes under the hood. Let's take a close look down at the bumper, front fascia, grille. Let's take a look at all this so you can see what kind of shape it is. Appears the bumper has been re-chromed, bright work, headlight surrounds, grille, all of that also in nice shape. Paint is still showing well, and this would be an Azure Aqua original colored car. Still very similar to this being the way it would have been when it rolled off the showroom floor from Chevrolet in 1964. Also aqua colored interior, which would be 753 trim code. Did notice one little touch up here. Now I mentioned it has power brakes, also disc up front, riding on a nice looking torque thrust style wheel. You can take a look up and down the side of this car, see it's dang straight. Again, turbo 350 automatic transmission, shifter on the column. Little aftermarket style gauges for the dash. Okay, you can tell the seats have been re-vinyled during that frame off restoration. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a bag for the convertible cover, or parade boot, I guess, if you will. A little Chevelle shop manual and the paint code and the touch-up paint in case you'd want to have to do any sort of repaint or anything on it. Look, the keys back here. I wanted to show you the trunk on this one. Also how nicely finished off it is. And the car has had dyno matting installed on it for sound absorption. This carpeting is how did you want to say it, kind of glued around the edges, so it is not going to slide around back here or lift up. Padding underneath it. So I want to show you how nicely done and finished off this trunk was also. This particular car, take the keys, we can start it up, let you hear how it runs, check out the engine bay. Now check out the still pictures on this one. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And again, the phone number 507-386-1726. Check out the underside. It's got stainless exhaust on it. Has accelerator mufflers. And look at the floor pans. Look at everything underneath there. Nice looking car on the underside also. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side here. And you can see how nice the gaps are in this car. Bright work and the molding up and down the side, also nice shape, not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. I pointed out that one in the front. You might find just a couple little small ones that have been touched up, but overall paint still very showable. Take a look at the chrome, bright work on the rear of this again. Nice shape. This one's going to turn some heads. Any of your local roll-ins, shows, or just out on that Sunday afternoon drive with the top down, having some fun. Is a manual top, black vinyl. We're going to put that up here at the end of the video, let you check that out also. Alright, let's get in and start this thing up. Again, aftermarket gauge cluster here. So how easily that starts. Shows 18,824 in the odometer. That could be since the frame off restoration. determining that, but it does appear all the gauges work. Fuel gauge, tach, bolts, oil, and assuming the temp's going to come up with engine temperature. Retro style aftermarket radio in there, AM FM cassette. Padded dash, that would have been a factory option on this car, according to the data tag also. Let's go ahead and slip. Oh, I want to show you the wipers too. Wipers do work. And again, you can see how nice a shape. Vinyl seats. Everything is there. Seat belts all intact. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second up here at the front. Let's pop the hood and let's take a little look underneath the hood and see how that looks. Here we go. First of all, take a look underneath the actual hood itself. Nice and tidy. And again, power steering, power brakes, headers, small block 350, quadrajet sitting on an Edelbrock intake. Got some nice valve cover, polished, dressed up. Looking good. Nice reliable power plant for a 64 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu convertible. Now let's shut up the hood, turn it off here a second, and we'll get the top up again. It's a manual top. Give me a little bit, and we'll check out and see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got the top flipped up for you. I just rolled away that cover. That's why you see it like that in the back. Just unsnapped it, moved it out of the way so we'd put the top up. Again, manual top folds up very easily. Latch is nice and tight up in the front, as you can see. Not full of rips, tears, any holes, anything like that. Want to stay dry, stay out of the sun. This one's going to do the job. Rear window in it. Very good shape also, nice and clear. Be able to see out of that just fine. Not discolored, anything like that. And nice and tight over here also. So there you go. And again, take a look at the bottom sides too. Still pictures are uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation in this vehicle, may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu convertible. 350 underneath the hood, turbo 350 automatic trans. Give us a call.